Every day it's about 10 or 50% who is paying with Dagcoin. Our customers' amount increased in 45%. It is much easier than payments with cash. It takes usually 5 seconds.
Today, we have come to the heart of Tartu, Estonia, to find out how Dagcoin has drastically changed the life of an Armenian family who run Smile Cafe. They immigrated to Estonia about 8 years ago and initially started cooking foods for their friends from their home. Once their food started gaining more popularity, they decided to create their own restaurant.
I am Alina and I'm a part of family who opened this family restaurant, and last 3 years I was working here as a waitress from morning till evening every day. So this place became my second home. It was September of 2017 when we opened doors first time, and I remember the first day when my mom and grandma was in kitchen and while I was the only waitress for 30 people, and it was my first day when I was trying to serve food or to make a coffee. Before moving to Estonia, we have one restaurant in Armenia and another one in Georgia. But as long as we sold them, we came here, and after 5 years of hard working, we decided to open the third one. And before opening this restaurant, we was working from home, serving some catering food for family friends only. And then they gave an advice to open restaurant. We are serving Armenian and Georgian food made by family recipes, and many of them are used by our grandmothers. So this is a traditional food made by Armenian and Georgian people, as it is made in Georgia or Armenia. First time we received the Dagpay payment on November of 2019, when my brother decided to work with that company. And the new customers also came in. Many people who have never been here decided to come and ask about new payment service and how to use it. So I will say that our customers' amount increased in 45%. Every day it's about 10 or 50% who is paying with Dagcoin. Some of them are coming every day, some once or twice a week. And also many people, when they see advertisements on the windows, they are also coming in to ask how it works and how they can be joined.
Accepting Dagcoin payments is an easy 3-step process. First, Alina enters the price of the food in the Dagpay app. The customer then opens their Dag Wallet app and scans a QR code. The Dag Wallet app then displays the final transaction details, and once the customer clicks confirm, the transaction is made. The increase in the number of customers has helped Smile Cafe completely renovate their restaurant, which in turn has helped attract even more customers.
It is much easier than payments with cash. It takes usually 5 seconds. Once on a lunchtime, one grandfather, he was maybe 18 years old, he came in and said that he wants to work with Dagcoins. And I called my brother, he came, and this person is our new customer with his wife. She is also maybe 75 years old. And every time when they came here, it's some positive to see elder people using new technologies, and every time asking how to do it again and again.
Smile Cafe invites everyone to try out their Armenian food in Tartu, Estonia. If you want to start accepting Dagcoin payments yourself, please visit dagpay.io. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Dagcoin.